cool. I've had this frame. This is a frame that came from TJ Maxx years ago. Love. We're gonna give it a makeover. I have grown very fond of this scrapbook paper. This is by Stamperia. I get it off of Amazon. We are going to actually be using a little tidbit out of that because you know that little opening is teeny tiny, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and take that out. So this is like a scrapbook paper pack or junk journaling, whatever you want to call it, but it has so many amazing, beautiful prints, and y'all know I thought that would be really, really beautiful in there, and we're going to add some stuff to it. I'm not going to be putting the glass back in here. Let's just go with the flower instead. So I'm actually just going to trace it out. Okay, so look. Can y'all see that? How cute is that? So we're going to add some stuff to this. We're going to bling this out. But first things first, we're going to get this decoupage thing. So I cut that a little big. That way I can go in and, that way I can go in and I can just sand it off. I am just coming in with my sander. So that's what we have. I am just going to come in and just kind of distress those sides. Y'all. I am gonna give that a little shot of hot glue. We're gonna go with the antique wax because I do want to kind of grunge up this frame a little bit. Okay. So we went from that bright, it was so white, so I'm just using some of the gold, antique gold rub and buff, and we're just gonna kind of run our fingers all over, and where it hits, it hits. There's our frame. We're going to be blinging that baby out, but before we do that, we're going to do something with this. So we're going to just take these pearls and we're going to bring it. Okay, so I do want perfect little tiny piece in there. Oh, that one's cute for the center of the flower. And then we're going to bling out our frame. And y'all, you could do as much or as little as you wanted because y'all, I think I'm gonna take one of these little hearts, and I'm going to actually kind of just cut it out. And look, y'all, look how cute. We can just kind of pop that on there. We're gonna put that on there. So we just added just that little hint of lace on there. Quite fit, but see, look, can y'all see that? Isn't that sweet? Okay, so blinging it up. I do use the E6000 and hot glue. Oh, y'all, that's kind of pretty. Maybe add the lace. So look with the lace. This is it. That's gonna do it. Okay. I am gonna come in with some rub and buff and hit our flowers. But that would have been cute inside that. We may have to do that. Now what were we doing? We're going to diamond dust those flowers. So I'm just going to come in with a little bit of Mod Podge. Now that I want to put a little bit of diamond dust on that flower. More right there in the middle. And oh my gosh, can y'all see that? Look.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free Printable Sparkle Quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.